simplify 24 tenths and convert it to a mixed number. We'll break this down into clear steps. First, let's find all the factors of 24 and 10. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Looking at both lists, we can see that the greatest number that appears in both lists is 2. This means 2 is our greatest common factor, or GCF. Now let's simplify our fraction by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 24 tenths simplifies to 12 fifths. To convert 12 fifths to a mixed number, we need to divide 12 by 5. Let's set up the division. 12 divided by 5. 5 goes into 12 two times. That's our whole number. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract that from 12, and we get a remainder of 2. So our mixed number is 2 and 2 fifths. Therefore, 24 tenths simplified to a mixed number is 2 and 2 fifths. Let's verify our steps. We first simplified 24 tenths to 12 fifths by dividing both numbers by their greatest common factor of 2. Then we converted 12 fifths to a mixed number by dividing 12 by 5, getting 2 whole numbers with a remainder of 2, giving us 2 and 2 fifths. And that's how we simplify a fraction and convert it to a mixed number. Remember to always look for the greatest common factor first to simplify your fraction before converting it to a mixed number.